Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We have some that require no experience whatsoever, so if you're looking to get into the work from home space, sometimes you do have to start off in something that you don't like customer service, get some experience to go on your resume, and then move on to bigger, better, like non-phone jobs. So I do want to just go into this saying the jobs that require no experience are going to be phone customer service based. I do have a few customer service jobs in this video. I've seen comments in the comments of some of my last videos where people are interested in phone work and customer service, but I do have like order entry specialist, order specialist, some healthcare jobs thrown in here too, trying to mix it up, have a little bit of a something for everyone. But real quickly, before we dive into it, if you have not seen my notice from this past weekend, I posted 25 jobs in a weekly roundup that were hiring over the weekend. Those are probably still up and hiring right now on this Monday morning. So if you haven't seen it already, the weekly roundup is posted on my website. It is 25 different jobs. Some are customer service, some are billing, some are healthcare. There's really a little bit of something for everyone in there. And of course, if you have something specific that you're looking for, you can always leave it in the comments. I never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Diving right on in, we're going to start off with the two positions that I have that require absolutely no experience whatsoever. Both of these positions are from the company MCI. Now, MCI has 109 reviews from past and current employees and an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. Both of their positions are going to be customer service based. First up, they have a work at home customer care agent. This is going to be a full-time remote work from home position, and base pay for this is listed as $15.30 an hour. The other one is titled a little bit different. It's titled work from home customer service representative. It is still full-time, but the pay for that one is listed at $15 an hour. So one is $15, one is $15.30, but the job postings are basically identical, so I'm really only going to share one of these. They are giving you complete paid training. They have all benefits like medical, dental, vision, but they're basically looking for a full-time customer care agent to support their inbound customer service, help desk, and back office processing representatives for commercial and public sector support. So you'll basically be taking phone calls, listening to the customers, trying to understand their needs and resolve any customer issues, utilizing the computer systems for account management tasks, recognizing sales opportunities, and trying to apply sales techniques when needed to upgrade customers, explain positions of products and processes and things to customers. So you're just going to be basic customer service. Now, these two positions do not require any kind of experience whatsoever. They only require that you have a high school diploma or GED, be 18 years or older, and have great organizational skills, know how to use a basic computer skills, can be a multitasker, talk on the phone while entering stuff into the computer system. Now, they all are only hiring in the United States or Canada, so you have to be authorized to work in one of those, and you do have to pass a background check. Moving right along, next up we have like a healthcare billing type position. Now, please, as always, do your own research on any companies. I always provide the Glassdoor pages on my website. Please read the reviews. This company is Valera Health. They only have a 2.7 satisfaction rating, so they fall right in the middle of some people love them, some people hate them. They do have 113 reviews, but they're paying very well, so I wanted to include it and let you make your own decision. But Valera Health is hiring a billing specialist. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States. They're looking for somebody to handle collection of patient portions of their bills. So like when the insurance is already billed and the insurance says the patient has like a copay, deductible, or the patient didn't have insurance, you'll have to collect the reimbursement from the customer and the insurance plans. So this is going to also be like a customer service type phone position. You're going to have to speak with patients directly, providing clarity on their statements and payment options, explaining what their options are for paying their bill. You'll also do some some research investigating and resolving any rejected, denied, or outstanding insurance claims, and making sure the insurance processed it correctly and the patient doesn't have to pay more than they're really supposed to. So you're just going to act as a liaison or the go-between between the insurance companies and the patients, just making sure all the billing is up to date. Now, no college degree is needed with this one either, but they do want 3 years of some kind of medical billing experience for this one. Someone who's comfortable working remotely already and someone who can work in a fast-paced environment. Pay for this one, though, is decent. $45,000 a year, all the way up to $51,000 a year. Moving right along, though, we have more customer service positions. And if you want to work from home and you don't have a lot of experience, customer service is really a great place to get a start. I know most people don't like being on the phone, but it would be like a temporary stepping stone. It wouldn't be forever, because a lot of us already have customer service experience to be able to land customer service jobs. Customer service can be anything that you've done in the past, like waiting tables, retail, running a cash register, cashing customers out at like retail stores like JCPenney's or stuff, babysitting. So really, you can get in with customer service experience, gain other kinds of experience, and then put that on your resume to land other jobs. So I always suggest that. So next up, we have the company Henry Schein. They have a 4.2 out of 5 star rating and 1,600 reviews. They're looking for a credit representative. They do prefer somebody in the Eastern Standard Time Zone because their hours are going to be based out of that, but it is a work from home remote. But again, this is going to be like a customer service type position. You're going to handle daily inbound and outbound collection calls to their customers, reconciling customer problems, following up on open issues, documenting customer notes, just providing that all over customer service. From processing orders from a credit perspective, making sure that all payments are collected and posted into the system. So you're going to maintain communication regarding the status of their account as it relates to aging, past due balances, orders pending, credit approval, things like that. If there's anything you can't handle, you'll transfer those calls on up. Just communicating any onboarding processes to customers and sales as needed. So you might have to have some negotiation skills to negotiate and establish payment plans with these customers when necessary for accounts dealing with hardships or experiencing cash flow issues. So as far as what they're looking for, only a high school diploma or GED is actually required, and 2 or more years of related experience. And I'm sure they don't say what that is, but I'm sure they will take customer service experience because this is basically a customer service type job. They're looking for somebody who can work with those Microsoft Office systems, know how to use a computer. They kind of want somebody who's familiar with like credit reporting and how all that works, who has great time management skills, great communication skills, and somebody who can multitask. Pay for this one's anywhere from $33,480 a year all the way up to $58,590 a year. But keeping it moving, next up we have Burlington Stores. They have 6,200 reviews, an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an order specialist. Now, real quickly, I do want to note they have their location of North Burlington, New Jersey store location posted on the job thing, but then it says this is a fully remote position. They do not specify if they hire outside of this area, or even though it's remote, they want you to live in the area. Just know that going in, they don't state, it just states this is a fully remote position. So I'm going to go under the assumption it can be done anywhere in the United States. But they're looking for somebody to be responsible for purchase order coordination and management, like analyzing and inputting data, so a lot of data entry, solving problems, and collaborating with some of their business partners, making sure details are communicated. So you'll use like Microsoft Excel, putting in formulas and data like VLOOKUP and pivot tables, so you can research and analyze and interpret patterns of data to come to conclusions. You'll manage and modify order spreadsheets, just creating any purchase orders for new merchandise as needed. You also have to identify areas of opportunity for improvement. They're looking for somebody who has very strong Microsoft Office Excel skills and at least a high school diploma, but not much else is needed. And pay is all the way down at the bottom. It is $18 an hour. And last but not least, we have the company Metlife. Now, Metlife is in the healthcare field. They can also be in any other fields. They basically do insurance and employee benefits for different bigger companies. They have 7,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are also looking for a customer experience specialist. So this is going to be a customer service role. It is virtual for the United States. Now, they are specifically looking for somebody to work with their pet insurance division. So you'll work with pet parents to provide solutions on their pet needs, acting as a go-between for different departments like claims, billing, and sales. So you're going to manage inbound email, chat, and phone calls from customers, providing them just that quality customer service, trying to focus on resolving their issue in that one call. You'll help try to keep customers from canceling their pet insurance policies. You want to overcome any objections that they have to stay on them. So you're really just trying to make sure that their claims and anything is processed and that they're happy with their insurance and that they keep their insurance plan. Now, this one does require a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of customer service experience, someone who can use a computer, and somebody who has great written, verbal, phone communication skills, and somebody who can track, follow up, and negotiate. So person type skills. But other than the 2 years of customer service experience, no other actual work experience is needed. And unfortunately, pay was not listed for this one. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.